M0FXB, let's add a channel to our memory. So we're in VFO mode. You've got VFO memory here. That's VFO. If we hold it, we can actually go down and select, say, memory 6, like so, and then we'll go, we've got this frequency here. We'll hold down VM, puts it in. We can actually, it adds for you the mode, memory, scan, and frequency. Put the name in, we just put 40. Enter, and we've named it as well. We'll hit right, hit function, and we go back into VFO mode on memory mode here. And then we can scroll through. And to scroll through memories, you just go function, memory channel there, tap it, go back to function, and now when you're in memory mode, VFO memory mode here, turn the function knob. Thanks for watching my channel, M0FXB73.